Lewis Rees, CJ Craven, you started the season well with Cardiff Met, 4 wins out of the first 5, but halfway through phase 1, how do you assess the season so far?
I think we're all working hard, we're all putting in the effort in training. I think it's showing on the pitch. I think we've just got to keep that level, that intensity for the season, and hopefully we'll be able to reach the top 6.
And if you look at the game on the weekend with Caerdydd, we had that level of intensity, say first half, and then second half it dropped, and they got the result in the end. So like Lou made a valid point with that, it's important and it's tough, but that's what we've got to do to get top 6. So
how do you assess each other's individual performances? I'll start with you, Lewis, about CJ. What does he bring to the team?
I think what I've been saying for the whole interview is intensity. I think you know he's on the pitch, you can hear him, that's for sure.
Don't show up in it though.
Yeah, but no, he's always on it. He's always on making sure everyone else is on it, and I think you have high standards of yourself, which means that's why you're so vocal, because you want high standards for everyone else.
Yeah, definitely. Never seen you speak so nice about me, Luke. Thanks, mate. It's been a journey, I'll be honest. Obviously, first year that I come here, obviously come from TNS, and I thought, oh, actually, come here, get a lot of games in the Welsh Prem. But obviously, I got pegged down a level straight away, which was good. It was a learning curve. I don't think I was in a matchday squad the whole first year. And as this year, I think I've played every single game, which is what I've come here to do. Yeah, and I'm enjoying it. It's good. And it's just keeping that shirt now, and I don't really want that to change. So yeah, I'm happy. Talk about Lou. He's starting to show everyone what he can do, and that's a credit to himself. The right attitude. We play with 2 up front sometimes, and if them boys don't work up hard up front, then the team doesn't click. So it's important that he's on the ball all the time, and most of the time he is.
Yeah, I've scored more goals this season than the last 2, and I've probably had a few chances where I should have scored more. So yeah, I'm probably the happiest I've been in football for a long time. Yeah.
The last time you played TNS was on this pitch, and it was first v second. It was billed as a good game. You lost 7-0. So what went wrong?
To be fair, we were confident going into the game, weren't we?
You've got to be.
Yeah, we were obviously on a good run of form, and it's probably the best time to play TNS when you're that filled with confidence and stuff like that. But I think I don't know, if you sleep for 1 second against TNS, you get punished, and I think that's what happened.
I think we just weren't quite there on that day, and they took their chances very well.
It's a difficult question, and maybe you're in a good position as ex-TNS products. How do you beat them?
Well, that is a hard question, because I've only played them once and we lost, so maybe I'm not the best person to ask. But I think you go in with 2 different mindsets. You either sit back and just hopefully don't concede, or you just try and play against them. I think that's what we try to do.
I think that's how you beat TNS, or you get a result at least against them. So yeah. Good.
I'll let you go in and get a coat on.
Yeah, freeze it. Freeze it.